Question 4c is asking me to factorise fully, so what I'm doing is looking for all of the common factors across these terms. Now, 2 will go into each of these, so we'll take that out the front. A is not across all terms, so it will have to remain within the brackets. V is across all terms, so we'll take the V out the front. Okay. That leaves us with 11a here, because 2v times 11a makes 22av. It leaves us with 5 here, because 2v times 5 makes 10v. And it leaves us with minus 8av here, because 2 times minus 8 makes minus 16. V times a makes the AV section of it, and then when you do V times V, that's where this little squared comes from.